Chris the Barber here. I'm back with another tutorial for you guys. In this tutorial, I'll be doing a burst fade. His hair is parted here, so I'm just going to be using some clips to clip up his hair so I can see everything that I'm cutting. So here I'm just going to be combing everything out, making sure I can get everything even. Here I'm going to be using my Babyless Pro 4FX clipper, and I'm going to be using a number 2 guard, and I'm going to be going all the way up to where it's parted. Next, I'm going to be using my Babyless Pro Flash FX clipper, and I use these for my soft trimmers. Here I'm going to be creating my first guideline, and I'm just going to be cleaning up the bottom. And here I'm going to be using my Babyless Pro FX trimmer, and I use these as my hard trimmers. And here I'm going to be using my Babyless Pro shaver to get it all the way down to the skin, baby smooth. And next I'm going to grab my Babyless Pro FX clipper with the number 1 guard closed, and I'm going to go up about a ½ an inch. Make sure everything's even. The cleaner the guidelines, the cleaner the fade will come out. So here I'm going to be using my 1½ guard lever open. And I'm going to be doing the same thing here, going up about a ½ an inch. So here I'm going to go no guard with the lever open, and I'm going to cut that 1 closed guideline in half. And here I'm just going to close the lever halfway and go half of the first guideline. So next I'm going to close the lever all the way, and I'm going to erase the first guideline. Here I'm using my Babyliss Pro Flash FX clipper to kind of clean up the first guideline to make sure everything is blended in. So next I'm going to go back with my Babyliss FX clipper and I'm going to open my lever all the way, and we're going to be using the tilting method. And I'm going to be closing the lever one more time, and I'm going to be repeating that step about a centimeter away. Once everything is cleaned up, I'm going to go back with my one guard, and I'm just going to attack that guideline right there. And I'll also be using a flicking motion while I try to blend this in here. Next I'm going to be closing the lever halfway, and I'm going to be laying the guard flat. Here I'm going to be using the half guard, which is a blending guard, and I have the lever all the way open, and I want to attack that same line. Making sure everything is even. So here I'm going to close the lever halfway and repeat the same step. So here I'm going to be using my Babyliss Pro FX trimmer. Here I'm going to be switching it up and starting off on the side. going to be starting my C cup. I like to start my C cup at the front corner and meet up right in the middle so I can have a good arch. Next, I'm going to grab the razor and make sure everything is extremely precise. Here you have it, Pat Mahomes haircut tutorial, you guys. I want to thank everybody for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And I also ask you guys to leave a like, comment, and share this video for me. And y'all let me know what y'all think of this tutorial. It's your boy Chris the Barber. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I'm out. Peace.